Hello students, after completion of topic N hook and its related exercises from chapter number 12, आज हम करेंगे next topic F और V hook. A small final hook written with a left anti-clockwise motion at the end of all straight strokes adds F or V. अभी जो हमने एन हुक में पढ़ा था कि राइट साइड से और क्लॉकवाइज मोशन से हम एट द एंड ऑफ द स्ट्रेट स्ट्रोक में एन हुक बनाते हैं. सिमिलरली उसकी अपोजिट साइड से मतलब कि लेफ्ट साइड से एंटी क्लॉकवाइज मोशन से हम एफ और वी हुक बनाएंगे एट द एंड ऑफ द स्ट्रेट स्ट्रोक. क्लियर है? एज इन ब्रीफ, बी थ्रू द लाइन विद आर हुक विद एफ हुक through the line, heavy dot on the third place of B after it. Prove, P with R hook with F or V hook through the line and heavy dash on the third place of P after it. Approve, same outline above the line, only क्या light dot on the first place of P before it and heavy dash on the third place of P after it. Above, B with V hook above the line and light dot on the first place of B before it and light dash on the second place of B after it. Active, K T with V hook active, light dot on the first place of K before it, light dot on the third place of T after it. Relative, upward R through the line on the line से start करते हुए upward R, upward L, T with V hook. Light dot on the second place of upward R after it, light dot on the first place of upward L after it, and light dot on the third place of T after it. Next is attractive, T with R hook above the line से start करते हुए K with another T with V hook. Light dot on the first place of T before and after it, and light dot on the third place of another T after it. Next is drive, D with R hook with V hook above the line and I diphthong on the first place of D after it. Achieve, Ch with V hook above the line, light dot on the first place of Ch before it and heavy dot on the third place of Ch after it. Gave, Gay with V hook on the line, heavy dot on the second place of Gay after it. Rough, upward R with V hook, upward R with F hook and on the line and light dash on the second place of upward R after it. Serve, S circle on the line से start करते हुए upward R with V hook, light dot on the second place of upward R before it. Deserve, D on the line, S circle, upward R with V hook, light dot on the second place of D after it and light dot on the second place of upward R before it. Preserve, P with R hook with S circle with upward R with V hook, light dot on the second place of P after it and light dot on the second place of upward R before it. Reserve, upward R with S circle with another upward R with V hook, light dot on the second place of first upward R after it and light dot on the second upward R before it, on the second place of upward R before it. Next is wife, way above the line with F hook and I diphthong on the first place of way after it. Half, upward H with F hook above the line, heavy dot on the first place of upward H after it. Okay, these are the F or V hook with the straight strokes. Next point is there is no F or V hook to curves. Okay, क्योंकि वो खुद ही एक कर्व के साइड से इनसाइड अभी हमने N के लिए किया तो F और V के लिए कोई कर्व्स के साथ हुक नहीं बनेगा. ठीक है, ये these are the short forms for this topic. Upward R on the line with P represent or represented. Upward R, P on the line with V hook for representative. B with F hook above the line for behalf here. D with V hook above the line for advantage. These are the phrases. Out of, T through the line for out and F hook is used here for off. Number is also the short form. B with R hook with F hook through the line represents number of. Instead of, N stroke S circle T halved here for the sake of D, and F hook for off instead of on the line. Which have, J on the line with V hook for which, and V hook for have is used here. Who का स्मॉल टिक हमने पढ़ा है एज अ शॉर्ट फॉर्म ऑन द लाइन, डार्क है, एंड हैव के लिए क्या, वी हुक. ओके क्लियर. इससे रिलेटेड आपको जो भी एक्सरसाइजेज हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिलेगी. आप लोगों को कोई भी परेशानी हो, कुछ भी पूछना हो तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करके पूछ सकते हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, प्लीज सब्सक्राइब द चैनल, ड्रॉप अ लाइक, शेयर एंड कमेंट.